Hello everybody, it's Digger here from D&T Adventures. We're here on the ditch again today, and we're going to be fishing on the canals, on the river canal. Yep. So let's get set up, and then we'll get fishing. So I don't know if you can hear me. I'm trying the new hat cam thing. This is where everybody fishes. We came fishing here yesterday and I should have brought the camera, but I didn't. And I caught 3 fish. So I think we're gonna get down into this island and, oh, let me grab some bait. We can't go without bait. I'm gonna take the fireballs and some little yellow things. Yep, okay. Let's get down there. All right, we made it down here, guys. We're gonna keep these videos short and sweet. For some reason, my video editor isn't letting me upload anything longer than a gig. I think I'm gonna have to actually purchase a decent editor. And here we are. We're just gonna fish this area for a little bit, see what happens. It's very possible that the fish have all been caught. So people fish these areas a lot. And they stocked on Wednesday, I want to say. And I can almost guarantee all the fish in this little spot are gone. But we're gonna give it a try. So I got the line soaking just downstream. I know you've seen my last video. You know how much of an impatient fisher guy I am. I don't think this is gonna work for me so well. I might move a little bit more down to where the current is a little faster. Like I said, people fish right here in this spot all the time. This is probably the worst place to catch fish. So our little island down there was a bust. I'm gonna move downstream a little ways. Down here a little bit. See if we can't snatch something up. Like I said, I'm a super impatient fisher, man. I just don't have it. Like, I can't stay still long enough to do this game. Oh, yay, this is fun. Don't fall. All right. Okay. We're gonna get in a couple of casts and I'll turn you back on if we hook anything. So I got a hit a second ago. He took all my bait, so I'm baited back up, and I'm gonna see if I can hook him real quick. Fish aren't very active either. They don't attack. They're not aggressive like regular trout. It's kind of weird. Try another cast here, see what happens. Ooh, there's a good spot. I even saw a fish jump when it hit the water. Nice. I don't know if I got that on video. Hopefully I did. I'm gonna let it soak for a minute and I'll be back if I hook one. Oh, I'm getting a hit right now. Bam! I think I got him. I got him. Look at that. Little guppies. There's one. Yeah, they're little, but the dog loves them. The dog loves them. Poor little fish. I know I'm gonna hear a bunch of shit stuff for this. Sorry. I'm gonna go get him off, get him on the stringer back into the water. Okay, we're back. I had to reset my GoPro and put some bait on the thing. We moved down to a little bit different spot for 1 second. Seen this little channel right here? I'm catching a bunch of little guys, and they're not, you know, like I said, these are unhealthy fish, so I'm not going to throw them back so they can just float down and die. My dog enjoys them as doggy treats, because I will not eat nasty little trout in this ditch. We're gonna turn it off for a second. I'm gonna climb down this and then we'll come back as soon as I hook a fish. So right away, first cast, I should have left the camera on, because now I got no bait left and I got another fish. So I gotta go get this guy off. I'll be right back. Can you see him? He's cool, huh? Okay guys, we're back down here. I'm gonna have you on right away because I caught a fish like in the very first seconds of casting. So let's get casting. As you can tell, I'm just kind of letting it go with the current. See what happens. Last time I got a hit right there. Bam, it just, bam, he didn't care. Look, there's another one. There he is, come on. Got him. I got him. Oh, I lost him. Woo, baby. Let's do that again. Let's see if they'll just hit this orange thing. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit of a long video. All right, let's recast and do it again. My reel's kind of messed up. Whoa, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Come on, baby. Hit it again. Don't be scared. There it is. Come on. No. Maybe. Come on, buddy. Ah. Whoa. Well, they're hitting the orange thing, so I'm gonna leave it on there. I'll turn you back on as soon as I get a fish. Alright guys, we're back again. Same spot. Didn't catch nothing last two casts. Lost all my bait though. Had to rebait it. And I lost my bait can somewhere. So I had to go back to the truck. Here we go. Again. Oh, don't get stuck on the weeds. I just got a hit right there. Well, let's try again. I'm gonna set it down here a little bit. See what happens. See if we could just let it soak right there. Yeah, so far nothing. Alright guys, we're back. I just got a fish on. We're gonna bring him on in. Here he is. Look at him. Oh, that's a nice little guy. In there, dude. Oh no. I lost him. There he goes. Son of a gun. And I'm stuck in a bush. Awesome. Well, that's what you get. Sometimes they come off. I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa. In the water I go. Splasho. All right, we're gonna cut out until we hook that sucker again. So I cast it right back in the same spot. I feel like there's gonna be more than one fish here. This time that little sucker ain't getting away. He eluded me twice already. He's a pretty wily coyote. keep hooking them right here, dude. Hey, I don't know what happened to the other thing. All right, guys. So I didn't get it on film, but I just caught another fish. Every time I turn the camera off, I'm catching a fish, and I don't have time to turn it back on. It's a bummer. So I'm just gonna leave it on, and I'll just have to borrow an editing tool to make it better, I guess. I don't know. It's very possible that I done caught every single fish in this little spot. Oh no, I got snagged. Oh, yeah, I got off. Thank you. We just cast it out again. We're gonna let it sit right there in that hole right in front of that bush. I know there's a fish. Here he comes. Any second now. Here he comes. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. Oh, what's going on here? Apparently we're snagged on something. Maybe. Let's see what happens here. Yep, we got a snag again. Oh, that's a bummer. I think I'm gonna lose it this time, guys. Yep, I lost everything. Stuff. Well, you know, let's go ahead and get back up there and rig back up. So we had to get out for a second, rebait. We lost all of our tackle. I'm sure you saw it. As you can see down there, everybody's starting to show up. So as soon as the combat fishing starts, we're out of here. I'm not into being crowded on the ditch. So here goes the first cast, ladies and gents. I'm trying a new setup too with the little slippy, like weight. I don't know, a friend of mine told me that you can feel the fish hitting better. We'll see. I think we might have actually caught all the little fish in this hole. That's for sure. But I'll turn you guys back on if I hook one. So I think I'm getting a nibble. Come on, hit it. Yeah, let's cast it upstream and see what happens. I think even though they're not totally aggressive, they do enjoy a little bit of a chase for their food, I guess. You know, they want to be real trout. They were just raised in a tank on dog food. Oh, I think I got a hit. Come on. I need video of a fish. There he is. There he is. Come on. Bam! I got him. I got him. Oh, this one's nice. Look at him. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go get him off the hook. So we got that fish off. We're back down here. Rigged back up. Let's try that again. Same thing. I'm gonna cast upstream. Oh no. I think we just lost all of our bait. Not cool. Guess we didn't lose our bait. Let's try again. Oh no. Snag. I'm snagged. I'm gonna go over here and try to get. So I just got a little bump. We'll see if he'll hit it again. you get a fish?
Dose.
All right.
I caught this one in the tunnel.
Nice.
He's not a stock trout. He has all of his fins.
That don't mean he's not a stalker, son. He's still a stalker. I've caught 5 already. Looks like he gave up. Let's get it out there a little bit. See what happens. Oh, that's where you get snagged. Don't do that. All right, if we catch something, I'll come back. Unless he bites in the last 2 seconds. Well, guys, I'm running low on battery. We've had a great day fishing here on the ditch today. I've caught 5 and the Great Blase has caught 2. We're going to continue fishing for a little while, but I don't have any more battery. So you guys enjoy.